Welcome friends, I am Muhammad Tahir Ahmed, your online instructor. So friend, we left previous video from here. So now I come right at the ending position of block code tag. So I press enter and here I will make an H3 tag and close it down. So I give a class to it. Gray space light. So I copy this text and paste it here inside the H3. So now friend, I have come in my style.css page. So first I show you the look. So I go to my file, this page we are making. So I refresh it. So you see that this paragraph is showing here because I copied this paragraph here. So now I come back to my code editor inside the style.css page. And here first of all I make a comment. .2 about section dot about space h2 comma space dot about space h3. I give some margin to them. Margin 0 0 10 pixel 0 0 from top, 0 from now I go to my browser and I refresh this page. So friend, you see that there has been made a little space among them. Friends, I have stylized this dot about space h2 comma and dot about h3 and I have given it margin 0 pixel from top, 0 pixel from right and 0 pixel from bottom and 0 pixel from left and padding 0. And I go to my browser and this is refresh this page. So friend, this is the preview of it, and now I am to write some JavaScript code. So I go to my script.js and I write that code. So friend, this code will be about the fancy box. So I write the basic structure of jQuery, $Francis dot Francis and semicolon to close. And I call that class YouTube/media. Francis single quotes and inside the single quotes dot YouTube/media. Dot on click comma, function, parenthesis, and inside the parenthesis E and curly brackets. Variable, where space window is equal to dollar parenthesis dot parenthesis and semicolon to close. And I write window dot width and I use the if statement. J window space greater than is equal to 410. Return semicolon and I come out of this curly bracket and write dollar dot fancy box parenthesis haraf column space this dot haraf and comma, come down, padding 4, comma, type column double quotes and comma, and inside I write iframe single quotes, inside the single quotes haraf space column this dot haraf dot replace parenthesis and inside the parenthesis new space reg exp parenthesis single quotes watch backslashes and these are forward slashes, not backslashes. I spoke mistakenly backslash, actually they were forward slashes. Question mark V is equal to comma and then double quotes, inside the double quotes I and come out of it, comma, single quotes v backslash. Now I come out of it and write return false, semicolon to close. Now I go to my Chrome browser and refresh this page. Then I scroll down and click over it. So your friend, you see that this fancy box is showing. First it was not showing. So when I will click over it, this video will run inside this fancy box. I have muted its voice. So friend, I have brought this fancy box. So due to writing that jQuery code inside my script.js. So friend, this video has become enough lengthy and I have brought this fancy box. Once again I show you, when user will click over it, then this fancy box will be open before it. So now once again I meet with you in next lecture.